Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is football player jobs before they were famous.
Ronaldinho first job playing futsal. Amandine Henry first job masher. Zinedine Zidane first job cleaner. Anna Maria Markovic first job model. Millie Bright first job fitness coach. Carlos Baca first job bus conductor. Riyad Mahrez first job tour manager. N'Golo Kante first job garbage picker. Lucy Bronze first job Domino's worker. Johan Cruyff first job baseball player. Shaka Hislop first job NASA intern. Amy Rodriguez first job medical insurance. Karim Benzema first job ball boy. Erling Haaland first job rapper. Raphael Varane first job rugby player. Virgil van Dijk first job dishwasher. Zico first job police officer. Roberto Carlos first job work in textile factory. Beth Mead first job worked at pub. Javier Zanetti first job milk delivery. Franz Beckenbauer first job sail insurance. Rodrigo first job futsal player. Grace Guro first job worked in Burger King. Cristiano Ronaldo first job street sweeper. Mappy Leon first job worker. Alex Greenwood first job photographer. Charlie Austin first job bricklayer. Pele first job shoeshine boy. Dennis Law first job carpet seller. Chris Waddle first job worked in sausage factory. Gerd Muller first job apprentice. Zlatan Ibrahimovic first job dock worker. Gabriel Martinelli first job selling ice lollies. Stuart Pearce first job electrician. John Stones first job football trainee. Alicia Lehman first job worker. Jenny Hormoso first job worker. Sun Hyung Min first job ball boy. Leah Williamson first job mascot. Lauren Sesselman first job nightclub dancer. Junior Meshes first job delivery fridges. Jamie Vardy first job in medical line. Victor Osman first job sell newspaper. Sandor Coxey's first job infantryman. Leanne Dowie first job aerospace engineer. Eduardo Camavinga first job judo. George Best first job errand boy. Miroslav Klose first job carpenter. Craig Noon first job roofer. Selena Wagner first job lingerie model. Sadio Main first job farmer. Ricky Lambert first job worked in factory. Vinicius Jr. first job futsal player. Bobby Moore first job draftsman. Alexander Pop first job zookeeper. Mia Hamm first job waitress.
And that's it for today's video on football players and their jobs before fame. Crazy, right? If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe for more untold football stories, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Comment down below which player shocked you the most. See you in the next video. Peace out.